Hey, my name is Mac Frederick. Thank you for opening the email and taking a second to watch and listen to this. I am the owner of Phone Repair Philly. You're getting this email because you were recently a customer or a client of the Computer Fixer. I recently bought this company. They were having some struggles with business, so I took over their existing book of business, their customers like you, a lot of their clientele, their partnerships with Penn and Drexel, and we took some of their software and technology parts and even their technician. We still offer, for everybody listening, we still offer phone, computer, tablet, printer repair, software, diagnostics, buybacks, trade-ins, soldering, micro soldering, anything you could possibly need regarding your electronics. We also buy and sell used devices, MacBooks, iPhones, tablets, whatever you need we can help you with. I just wanted to introduce myself. Feel free to look us up. Our company name is Phone Repair Philly. We have 3 locations. We're opening a 4th soon. The location in University City, if you go to our website here, phonerepairphilly.com, you can see our locations. Our University City location specializes in computer repairs and printer repairs as well. If you do need our help, we are happy and eager to help you. We're looking for any existing clients and customers of the Computer Fixer to work with us, and I'm happy to give you a discount and the best service we can possibly give you. Our location is in an office right near Penn and Drexel's campus at 3508 Market on the 2nd floor, Suite 209. Very easy to drive and park. If you have questions regarding servicing and pricing or maybe even previous issues with the Computer Fixer, don't hesitate to call us or contact us via email or text or message us on social media. Once again, my name is Mac Frederick. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for listening to this. We are happy to help you in any way we can with any electronic needs at our University City or any of our other locations. Follow us on social media for discounts. And like I said, if you need help with literally anything, don't hesitate to reach out and ask us. Thank you so much again for watching this, and have a great day, and keep that technology safe.